Behind me, you're seeing sea foam created when powerful waves crash and mix air with algae and salt in the water. All that energy churns the ocean, and this foam is what's left behind. It looks messy, unstable, but it's proof that something powerful just happened. And that's exactly what building habits feels like in the beginning. A little chaotic, a little unsteady, but it means something inside you is shifting. That's why I use habit stacking to bring rhythm to the mess and stability to the movement. Habit stacking is simple. You take something you already do and attach a small new habit to it. You don't need more time, you don't need more motivation. You just need rhythm. For me, when I make coffee, I review my video. After I brush my teeth, I stretch for 2 minutes. And after I get from my walk, I record a quick voice note. I'm not forcing anything. I'm just stacking small habits onto routines that already exist. Because just like those waves, you don't fight the ocean, you move with it. So try this. Pick one habit you already do every day, like brushing your teeth, pouring your coffee, unlocking your phone, or coming home. Now stack something small right after it. After I pour my coffee, I write one sentence. After I hang up my keys, I drink a glass of water. After I close my laptop, I clean the desk. It feels small, but small is what works. And over time, you build rhythm that doesn't need force, just flow. In my next video, we will talk about what to do when your identity starts to break down, when you lose momentum, and need to rebuild from the inside out. Subscribe if you haven't yet.